Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5086672 on a Windows 11 computer. Now because of these error codes, so if you are receiving one of these errors, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run this PowerShell command. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command. All these commands are provided in the video description. So copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once this is done, copy the second command, copy the complete command, paste it over here, hit the enter. Now run the third command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once done, copy the last command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once this is done, now restart your PC, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, the next step is to open Windows settings, and over here you can see pause option. So hit pause over here. This may take some time, and once the update is paused, you will see resume update option over here. So hit resume updates and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click and then click on over here and then click on restart. Now once done, find Windows Update Services, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click, again click on restart, and then you can go back, and if you see retry option, you can hit retry over here and then you can try to update. Still not working, run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only, click on yes to allow, copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, the next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5086672, and then click on search over here. Now check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Now over here, in my case, the version is version 25H2, so check your Windows version and then open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, and over here check your system type. In my case, the system type is 64-bit operating system. So for me, the right update is Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one, and then you click on download. Now over here you will see the update, that is KB5086672. So click on it and let the download complete. The download will take some time, and once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually, and then you can check. Sorry about my internet, it's getting disconnected right now. Once the download is complete, you can run the file and then you can check. You can update it manually and then restart your computer and then check. Next step is to close all third-party application and services. So if you have any third-party antivirus running on your computer, you can disable it while installing the update. Once you're done installing the update, you can enable your antivirus program once again. If you have any third-party anti-cheat program like Faceit anti-cheat or any kind of anti-cheat program running, you can close it and then you can uninstall it. If you have Riot Vanguard, you can uninstall it and then restart your computer and then check. Next step is to fix problems using Windows Update. You can open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and then go to Advanced option over here. Scroll down, go to Recovery option, and here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on Reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your PC and then check. Still not working? Use Media Creation tool. The last step. You can open this link in a browser and it will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Media Creation tool. Click on Download now, and then you can run this exe file, and then click on Accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on Next. Select ISO file over here, and then click on Next. You can save it to desktop. Click on Save, and let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on Finish over here, and then let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on Setup file, click on Yes to allow, click on Next, click on Accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.